Welcome, this is Jaroslav from ModalAI, and today I will be showing you how to insert a SIM card into our QuickTel 5G modems, which you can find on our Sentinel drones. Throughout this process, make sure that you have your ESD safety strap on. To get started, we will unscrew these two screws. To do that, I will use TH8 torque driver. The SIM card slot is located on the VOXL to 5G modem debug board, and it is located in the front left corner of the flight deck. You have two options of doing this. You can either use something like these forceps to try to insert the SIM card. It's very tricky at first, so I do recommend trying the second option. But I will show you how you can try to do this with the forceps. As you can see, it takes a couple tries, and you have to be very careful not to damage any camera wires which are located in the front of the flight deck. Your second option of doing this is gonna make it easier to insert the SIM card, but you will need to unscrew these four standoffs. To do that, I will use a 3.5mm nut driver. While unscrewing the one in the left back corner, be careful not to damage any of the 5G antenna wires. Once you are done unscrewing all the standoffs, you can gently lift the front of the board. Once you lift the front of the board, take your SIM card and slide it in. Once you are done with that, gently push the board back down and screw the standoffs back on. And as a final step, take the lid and screw it back on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, let us know and we will be happy to help you. Have a great day!